how to force stop an Android app. So force stopping an app basically causes it to stop immediately. All of its processing in background or a foreground will be stopped. So force stopping will cause it to stop immediately. You can do that if you have to instantly shut down an app. So, for example, I have Google Meet running right here, and if I go to the Google Meet's app info here, and here at the bottom right, you can see an option to force stop. So, notice that the Google Meets app is running on my notification panel right there. So, if I force stop it, disappear, and the app will shut down immediately. You might need to do this sometimes because your app might be laggy or it's not running smoothly. So force stopping it is an option to make it run smoothly. Once you do that, you can reopen the app to use the app normally. So uh, if I open it, rejoin the meeting, it's gonna run. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.